Got a big bumper crack here. Nice tear through, missing tabs, scratches, all kinds of issues. Gonna need our 703 adhesion prep and cleaner. This is gonna get all those contaminants off. We got our P80 and 180 sandpaper from Norton Blaze. We're gonna need our Fuser 602 EZ surface modifier. We're gonna need our 700 bumper reinforcing mesh and contouring film. We're gonna need our 2-part gun, our belt file tool, our saturation roller, and some mixing tips. Our 152 urethane adhesive. Okay, let's get going. Missing tabs and a tear. Let's start with the 703 and get her cleaned up. Get all those contaminants off. Grab the 80 grit. Make sure those cracks are good and rounded out. Front and back side. Make sure it's good and clean. Over here we're going to drill some 1/8 inch holes for these missing tabs. I'm going to make sure all those cracks are nice and rounded out on the edges too. Make sure there's no shiny spots anywhere. Make sure those holes are good and clean and rounded out. I'm going to grab our adhesion promoter or surface modifier, Fuser likes to call it, because it does actually modify the surface. Get our 152 urethane adhesive. Make sure to check that batch code. This one here is July 2020, so we got plenty of time here because this has been being done in August. I'm gonna purge that cartridge first. You can see how much more of the right side product you can get than the left. Get our stick on and purge that tip too. We're gonna put some product on the substrate first and then apply our reinforcing mesh. Then apply more urethane to ensure that we got a really good strong bond. I'm gonna attach the pink contouring film and roll it out with a saturation roller to make sure to get this product all the way to the front side. Very important. If you've never used a saturation roller before, I highly recommend you try it. Alright, let's get this ready for the tabs. We filled that up with some urethane, made a little bonding patch with contouring film and nylon mesh. We pulled all of the contouring film off here, as you can see. There's our urethane adhesive. We made a little template from the other side for our tabs. Tabs made from scratch. Of course, we only want to do this if we've got a bumper that we just can't, find, or trying to help out a family member or something like that. Really not something we want to do in the shop every day, but definitely possible. Top reasons that all these plastics repair fail anymore, there's just improper cleaning, improper sanding, improper products completely, improper application, and just never ever use expired products. Alright, we're going to go on with our epoxy filler on the front side, 114, using the contouring film and saturation roller technique again. I'm going to finish this out with some 180. As you notice, there's no dust laying on the floor. Love this Norton back rack, it's amazing. I'm back sand some 320. Get all the rock chips and any other things out of the way, scratches. Get it all ready for prime. Get this thing to the paint shop. There we go. Got it back from the paint shop. I'm gonna get it back on the car, and man, it looks good. Got it washed up and delivered. Always remember to check your batch dates and make sure that those products are fresh. And do not use lacquer thinner or any kind of prep solvents or any kind of solvents on raw plastic, because it actually will absorb it and soak it up like a sponge and create a bumper bubble. Thank you. Hope everyone learned something today. Thanks for watching Automotive Alchemy. Please subscribe.